Now see here this question, there is a converging lens having the radii of both the surfaces equal and material, it is a refractive index of the material is 1.5 and it is immersed in a liquid of refractive index 1.7. Then how does its focal length change? So, you have to find out the focal length of the lens in liquid. So, now see here, we can take this one is mu 2 and this one is mu 1. So, mu 2 is equal to 1.5, mu 1 is equal to 1, radii of curvature, that is r1 is equal to r. So, r2 is equal to minus r. This is just by using sign convention. Now, and then we can take this is the first case, calculate the focal length, that is 1 upon f is equal to mu 2 upon mu 1 minus 1 into 1 upon r plus 1 upon r. So, that will become 1 upon f is equal to mu 1 is 1 and mu 2 is 1.5. So, that is here 0.5 into 2 by r. Here this is the first equation I have taken. Now, the same lens is immersed in a liquid of refractive index 1.7. Then in the second case it will be here mu 1 is equal to 1.7. If mu 1 is 1.7, then here focal length 1 upon f dash is equal to 1.5 upon 1.7 minus 1 into this term will remain same. So, we can write here 2 upon r. So, now here the focal length in both the cases we have got. Now, we can get the f dash because f is given to us and f is given to here, that is a 15 centimeter. So, now we can write in this case, divide these two equations. When you divide these two equations, you will be getting f dash upon f is equal to 0.5 divided by, here if you solve it you will be getting 0.2 divided by 1.7 and this term are equal in both the cases. So, these two will get cancelled. So, now if you solve it, so you will be getting f dash upon 15 centimeter is equal to 0.5 into 1.7 upon 0.2. This decimal will get cancelled. So, f dash is equal to 1.7 into 5 into 15 divided by 2. When you solve it, you will be getting approximately 63 centimeter here. This is approximate answer. So, here you will be getting f dash is equal to 63. Now, you can calculate this easily. So, this is the question based on here the lens maker's formula, where the focal length of the lens changes as it is placed in a liquid of certain refractive index. So, now we will be doing more numericals based on this formula.